Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Live. Guys, today in this video, I'll be starting from the point where I left out in the previous video. So let's open a part. Today, we will start the sketcher options. In the previous video, I have told that how to open the sketcher. So first I will define the unit here. I'll be choosing here millimeter gram seconds and then select a planes. I'll select the font planes. And I will start with the line command. So for activating the line command, you can go with the L enter, or else you can select the icon itself. Now you can see here you have here three options. First is line, then is center lines, and then is midpoint line. So I'll be starting with the lines. I have select the command. Now I'll be starting from any point. You can see here this is showing that constant coincident relations here. So I'll start from this point, and you can see here you can create the lines. Now you can see here the color of the sketch is black in color because this line is fully defined, but this length is not defined. That's what that point is blue in color. So the fully defined, under defined, over defined concept I'll be coming later. Just you understand the line command itself. So I'll show you once again one thing. So you can see here if how you wants to create the line, just you can give the direction or you can give click over there. But you can see here the line itself we can use to draw the arc. So for that what you need to do, just click on the point and just move back the cursor to this point. Just keep the cursor, don't click over there. Now you can see here the line is drawing the arc itself. So in the same way you can draw again the lines, and next you can see here so many options are there. The line itself, horizontal, vertical, angle for construction. I'll come back to this later. Before that I'll go to the center lines. So in the center lines it will draw the construction line. Actually in the sketcher part we are not supposed to draw the center line, so we'll be using this line as a construction line. Whenever you want to draw something in a construction mode, you can go with the center line here. Next you have one more options here that is called midpoint lines. Midpoint line is quite like dynamic mirror of a lines. Like wherever you will be clicking, that will be the midpoint of your lines, and equally it will generate. Like I'm clicking on this point. Now you can see here I'm moving one directions that it's taking certain value, but you can see here what is happening. Now look at here. So this is what called dynamic lines, but actually you don't need to go for all these things. Initially in the line command itself you can draw everything. So that's what I told, I will come back to these things later. So I'll explain here each and everything. Now look at here, you have option called horizontal lines. So horizontal line, if you select, what will happens, you can draw only the horizontal line. But if you don't select any options, or either horizontal, vertical, angle, you can draw any kind of lines. It's a kind of filter you are applying here. So I'll choose here horizontal. Now you can see here I can draw only horizontal lines. See here you cannot draw the vertical line. In the same way, if you choose from here vertical, you can draw the vertical lines only. Now you can see here you have one more options that is called construction mode. So what will happens, I want to create a lines. Look at here, I want to create a line. By using line itself I can create the center lines by using construction mode. Just look at here, see. So that's the reason I told that if you know the line command, how to use it, you will be getting everything from the line command itself. You don't need to go for the separately center line command. Next you have here infinite length and midpoint line. I'll come back to the infinite length later. First midpoint line. In the same way I have shown you the separate options for midpoint line. So same way, if you choose from here itself midpoint line, you can see you can draw the midpoint line from here itself also. Now I will remove everything. So now I'll show you how to draw the infinite length line. So I'll be taking the line from here itself. You can see here, suppose the use of infinite length line, like I want to draw some axes. So I'll be going with this horizontal and I can go with the infinite length. Now you see here the line is coming, the length is infinite. Now you can see here it is black in color because it's a fully defined sketch, because it's passing through the origin and the having the length is infinite. In the same way you can go with the line like infinite also you can apply here for constructions infinite. Now see what will happen. See here, this is blue in color because we didn't give any dimension, that's what it is not fully defined. Now you can see we can move the line anywhere because the degree of freedom is still there. So we'll go for that things later. Now hope you have understood. In the same way you can go with the vertical line also according to your requirement. Like I want to go with the vertical lines, so I'll be taking here for construction mode and infinite length. See, so this is what how to use the line command in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.